Right now we're in the paint booth. I'm getting ready to put the V21 blackout on the hood of the 72 Charger. This is the yellow car. Now this is a little bit different than what we've done in the past. In the past, like on our purple sunroof Challenger, we took a decal from Phoenix Graphics, we used a solution, we applied the decal, pulled the backing paper off, and we were done. The reason we did it that way is because from the factory, it was a decal. The blackout on the hood, the V21 on these Chargers, is very much like the bumblebee stripe that was on our Challenger. If you recall back then, it was a painted on stripe. This is painted on. So what we have to do is we have to mask everything off that we don't want black, that we want to remain yellow, and end up with this perfect oval that fits the power bulge of the 72 Charger. We're going to use our application gel so that we can put this on. Remember, the center's open, so I don't need to get as crazy. I just need to get wherever this is going to be going. Phoenix Graphics now makes a stencil. It's made of actual stencil material, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this just like a decal, but it doesn't have nearly the adhesion value of an actual decal. So now that I got the actual masking down, I need to scuff this area. Your paint will not stick if you don't scuff it. Don't do none of this weird Darren crap. Keep it flat. Change light, change angles. Make sure you scuff right up against that line. So when I'm done applying the stencil and it's all dry, we paint our black. Once we pull all the masking paper off, the stencil will come with it and it'll leave us a beautifully well-centered, correct V21 blackout on the hood. You know, normally at graveyard cars, we try to stick to cars that are either in really, really bad shape so that we can do a major transformation on them, or extremely rare and valuable cars that people have had over the years that want restored. In the case of the little 72 Charger for Jim and Mitzi, it isn't any of those. It's not a super high dollar car, it's a 318. It is a rally car and it's got good colors. And it's a neat car. I love all cars and it's a neat car. But really what motivated me to take that car on was the call I got from Mitzi. She called me up a while back, says my dad is in his early 80s. He bought this car brand new. He special ordered it with a 318, although it's a full rally package car, because he wanted to be able to take us kids all over the country. Take them to Niagara Falls, take them across country, do the whole Sparky Griswold thing, the vacation. We had a heavy workload when we brought it in. But I felt that it was the right thing to do. A lot of times what I do to run my business is I go off of my gut level value system. And if my gut says do it, I usually am right about it. At the end of the day, if you do what you believe is to be the right thing to do, the real value is in knowing you did the right thing. And I think that's something that people lose sight of. I never will. I will always do what I consider to be the right thing.